All right, step 2 of this project, we have our first object placed in the center. We're going to go over a couple different ways for you to add some different objects to your composition. So here I'm going to bring in this butterfly. First thing right away that I notice I need to do is right click and rasterize this layer over here. Now since my butterfly is on a white background, and same thing if it was on just a black background, I can use my magic wand tool, click in that background, and delete it out very easily, and then Command D to deselect. A couple different ways to move around your different objects and transform them. You can hit Command T to free transform. This will let you kind of resize and rotate everything within ratio. Another way that you can flip and mirror your different objects is when I'm in this free transform, I can hold the shift key down to mirror my image. You can also kind of play with the size on this a little bit. If you want it to be longer or shorter, you can alter all those things by holding the shift key down when you move it. Okay, once I have my butterfly the right size that I want it to be, I want to duplicate it all the way around the circle. So if I hold the Option key down, I can click and drag and duplicate my butterfly. So on these on the side, I'm just going to Command T and rotate. Same thing over here. Rotate those. For my one on the bottom, another way that you can alter your shape is to flip it over the horizontal or vertical axis. So this one, for example, if I go up to Edit, Transform, here I can flip horizontal or flip vertical. I'm going to flip mine vertically and get it right in there. And then I'll kind of pay attention to all that spacing, get all their wings lined up. Another thing you can do if I wanted to move multiple objects at once. So say I want to move all 4 of these butterflies, I can select multiple layers by holding the Shift key down. So there's all 4 of my butterflies selected, and now I can move them all kind of at once. So that's an easy way if you need to move multiple things, but I want to leave my button in place, for example, holding Shift and selecting multiple layers. You can also do it by just clicking on the objects that you want to do. Okay, next video is going to show you some fun things that you can do like brushes, filters, and changing color of your different objects.